I have the E-Flight Habu 50mm here. We're going to fly that today. And here we go. Oscillation still, but not like I had yesterday. So I think I just need to take a little bit more off of the gains. .18-mile-an-hour winds here. Still high alpha-ish. Sitting pretty still. Let's give it some throttle and take it around. Minutes of flight left on the 3.5-minute timer. It's a 2200 battery in here today, 3S 2200. For a low pass. We're at 381, so we got a little more. I'm going to go around a couple more times. Actually just gliding right now, letting it come down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice little loop I did there. First loop with the Habu. Just been trying to get a feel for it. Alright, I'm going to bring her down, go around one more time and bring it lower and see about an approach. Hopefully it's the wind picks up. Of course that makes it tougher. Well, maybe not so much. Came down very nicely there. We'll just kind of settle her in. Great little landing. We're down.
Safe on.
Great little plane. Love this plane. It's been fun for the last couple of days. This was my third flight with it. Looking forward to many more. And awesome flight. Awesome landing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will have more Habu flights, SS50s in the future.